Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share with you another potential airdrop which is free to join called Zoop. Zoop is basically a social media platform that rewards creators and users for authentic engagement with Zoop points and ad revenue sharing. As you can see, Zoop is still in the funding round and has raised $15 million, but their investors and more information aren't disclosed now. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have around 88k followers at the time of making this video, and you'll find lots of information there. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So basically, Zoop launched their airdrop campaign on Telegram, so you can join through Telegram. I'll provide the link in the description, so you can check the link for joining. Click here, start, then launch app, start. Now click sign up, and then it asks to create an account. So here put your name and email, then click earn, and you get 10,000 points. So here you can claim daily rewards. Now here you need to verify your email. Click send verification email. I'll check my email several times, but it's not sending the code. But don't worry, your account will be created. Now here you can join their Telegram group. Click join now, then join the group. Collect 3,000 points. Also, you can follow them on X. So here you need to follow the account on the Zoop app. So open the Zoop app, follow, and done. Similarly, open Zoop again. Follow again. And it's done. So similarly, you can complete these as well. And as you can see, new missions are coming. So here you can spin to earn points. As you can see, I'll get 39 spins. So let's spin. I'll get 50 points. Now here you can get your referral link and share that link with friends to boost points. And here you can see the leaderboard ranking. And that's it for this video. I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.